Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Yalos in St. Thomas to see firsthand the condition of the road that people have been complaining about. So this is the road that takes you through Yalos. It's supposed to be a part of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, but I have no idea why the road is in this state. The section of the highway from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge, it's almost complete. Market, the highway goes all the way from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland, going through St. Thomas. So I'm not sure why this road is in this state. The road should at least have some look close to a highway by now. It's 2023. But this is what people have been complaining about, the condition of the road. And even if the highway was not coming through here, this is not how a main road is supposed to look. This is a main road. I mean, you ever stop to wonder why they used to call over here the Forgotten Parish? Look, I mean, roads like this, who would want to come over here? But a highway is being built. It's the largest road project on the way in Jamaica. The largest road project on the way in Jamaica. And this is what the people have to drive on? No, man, this is ridiculous. It's over $120 billion. 120 billion being spent to build this road from Harborview to Port Antonio. And the road has been like this for some time now because the people have been complaining for months. Even the Prime Minister got involved and met with the local subcontractors and was to meet with China Harbour Engineering Company to see what's going on. China Harbour Engineering Company is the main contractor. And then they subcontracted out the work to 10 local subcontractors. And the sections with the subcontractors are moving very slow. Subcontractors have their list of what is going wrong and why it's moving so slow, and China Harbour Engineering Company has their list, and the Prime Minister, through the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, was to meet with all sides. But while all that is being done, this is what the people have to drive on. And no, this is terrible. There is no section of the road between Harborview and the Yalos Bridge that is as bad as this. No section. So why is this section so bad? I am just assuming that this is one of those sections that the subcontractors and China Harbour Engineering Company have a problem with because that's probably the only explanation. Maybe the work has stopped here. I don't know. Guys, anybody tell us what's going on with this road? Why is it like this? And why has it been like this for so long? $120 billion supposed to get you a better road than this. Alright, well, you guys get the gist of what the road is like. We are going to turn around here. I heard somebody refer to this road as a riverbed, and that's exactly what comes to mind when driving on this road. Like you're driving through a riverbed. You wouldn't believe this is a road for a main town in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.